Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Jake here, coming to you from Hershey Park. And we have Wildcat's Revenge today. It's opening June 2nd, but I'm just going to be showing you guys it because this is absolutely amazing. I'm super hyped for this. Oh my gosh, this looks insane. Wow, where do I start? Well, I mean, that building looks cool. It looks really cool, actually. I love the Pizza Hut station. Also, I'll put a picture of the train on the screen, too. They look amazing. And just the lift truss, too. Absolutely amazing. I love it so much. I'm just super excited for this. That's going to be insane. Wow. There's workers up in the station just testing out. And yeah, there's the lift truss again. I like the flag to put on top of it. And then there's Fahrenheit. And then Wild Mouse is right here. It's right where old Wildcat was, of course. And yeah. And now walking over toward the entrance, you see there, they have a sign on the back of the station. And then right here, they have the front sign on Wildcat's Revenge, the entrance sign. They kept the old little canopy patio area, and they just slapped a Wildcat's Revenge sign on it and the steel thing. And then I love this. They took old pieces of Wildcat's track and put them right above the entrance. It looks so cool. They took a piece of the old Wildcat's track and put it right above the entrance. That looks insane. I love it so much. It's everything about this is so cool. They got a Wildcat's Revenge themed Dippin' Dots stand. And then they put down some tables and they have Revenge beverages. I think this is new, or they could have just repurposed the cart to Wildcat's Revenge because there's Dark Nights there, so they're gonna use this for Dark Nights too. But yeah, they have a food stand too, right next to Wildcat's Revenge. Wildcat's Revenge catering's there too. Let's see what else we can see. Yeah, there's Wildcat's Revenge. And then right there's the underflip built on top of Wildcat's old drop, and just flat out amazing. I'm super excited for this. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, we're gonna keep on moving back this way because, wow, let's see what else I can see. Okay, so there's the train station, or at least part of it. I can't see the front, although the front looks the coolest. Okay, also back behind Chicky and Pete's, there is the coaster. I was able to find Wildcat's Revenge catering. So that's where it is. It's right by Fahrenheit. So I guess that's where Wildcat's Revenge catering is. And I like it. I think it looks super good. I'm super excited for this coaster. And yeah, you can see there's people doing work right there. Just putting some finishing touches onto this amazing coaster. And it's gonna drop off there, come around here into the lift hill. And then you get this spectacular coaster here. And yeah, this just looks amazing. I love it. Wow. I love it. So yeah, it's gonna do it here from Wildcat's Revenge. Hope you're all having an amazing day. God bless, and I'll see y'all in the next video.